In our generation today, communication always fails. Some of us are afraid to talk or maybe shy to interact with others. Some doesn't know what communication is. So what is communication? Communication is the process by which information is exchanged between individuals through a common system of symbols. When and where does our communication fail? For instance, I and my friends use Tagalog when we're talking. While we're talking, one of my friends are not listening, or your friend telling you such a nonsense topic that insults other people. What are the reasons that our communication failed? First reason is that we're not good listeners. Second reason is that we're making a facial expression that is not really suited for the topic. Third reason is that your friend telling you something that is not worth listening for, or insulting others or judging them. What are the possible solutions to make our communication success? First solution is that we should know what communication is. What are the basics of the communication? One of the basics of the communication is that the sender should deliver a message clearly and concise to be able to attract the people to listen. So the next thing is that we should be a good listener to be able to understand the message clearly. Second, we should deliver the message brief, concise, and free of jargon. That's all. Thank you.